What's up, YouTube? As you can tell from the title of this video, I think I'll be naming it something related to what I'm doing today, but I'm actually going to clean the interior of my car. I bought the car back in December. It's now May, or the end of May, and I haven't really done much deep leather cleaning. It's a black interior, as you can see, but some of the leather is just looking kind of greasy, and I know it's dirty because I'm not sure what the previous owner had done for interior cleaning. I'm gonna head to a local detail shop and get some Chemical Guys leather cleaner and conditioner. Then I'm gonna probably get some sort of brush to work it into the leather, and then some microfibers. And I'll probably get carried away and buy some more stuff when I get there, but I'll update all you guys when I get finished at the detail store. I just got back from the detail shop. So they didn't have the Chemical Guys just leather cleaner, because I was gonna buy the leather cleaner and then the conditioner. They only had the conditioner, so I went for this. It's a cleaner and conditioner, so 2-in-1. So I'm hoping that this will do the job for both. I'm assuming it will. Let's see why not. And then I got a leather brush. Yeah, it's a horsehair leather brush. And then I got a smaller brush because I'm going to be doing the rest of the trim and everything. So I'll use that. Finally, just 3 microfibers to wipe it off and get rid of any sort of extra product or all the dirt that's coming off. The center armrest is pretty greasy, and it's not just like something you can wipe off, it's actually in the leather. So we'll have to use a conditioner for that. And then the seat as well is pretty greasy. Another thing that's pretty nasty is the steering wheel. So we get a close-up of that. But yeah, pretty gross compared to this, which is pretty clean, where I put my hands, and actually every part of the steering wheel is just pretty gunked up. So hopefully I'll be able to clean all of that off with the new products. It already looks a little bit better than it did. It's still not done completely drying, and I just did a simple first scrub down. I might do it again, but yeah, compared to this, it looks totally matte. It's definitely getting all the dirt off. As you can see right here, getting tons of dirt off the seats. This is literally just from all the leather surfaces, and this whole rag is like already pretty filthy. It looks actually brighter on the camera than it does in person. There's a good amount of dirt on here, and I've only done half of the seat and the armrest. So this stuff is working good. I definitely recommend the brush as well. It's just a horsehair one from Chemical Guys. Definitely worth picking up. It's a little expensive to get all this stuff at a retail store, but that's to be expected. I could have ordered it on Amazon, but I wanted it today because I had nothing else to do. So it was convenient to have that store near me. So I just finished doing the seats, and they definitely look cleaner. It's just more matte all around. The side bolsters are what had the most kind of grease on them, and I'm not sure if you can see, but they look pretty solid right now. Obviously this product has a little bit of a sheen because it is a conditioner as well. So I wasn't expecting it to be completely matte. But I also did things like the e-brake handle. Looks pretty good. Camera kind of makes it look a lot lighter than it actually is. Maybe I put my hand there. Yeah, there you go. So now I'm gonna do things like this trim. The trim right here, as you can see, is super dirty. And I'm gonna be using the smaller brush I got. I'll probably do things like the handles and maybe other general kind of areas. As you can see, my girlfriend has kicked this many times, so I gotta clean that up. And then I might try to do the steering wheel as well. Alright, I wanted to show you guys a quick before of this side of the steering wheel, and then I'm gonna cut right to an after. And here's the after result. So just a little bit more of a matte finish to it. It is a little bit slippery, but that will go away as I continue to drive. But here is the other side. So that side is obviously greasy. Boom, just cleaned, still dirty. Here is the finished result. As far as the dashboard goes, I wiped down with a little bit of product up there and then nothing on the buttons and stuff, just kind of dusted it off. And then the wheel is looking good. Definitely looks more matte. That had a lot of grease on it. And then the seats also look really solid. Way better than before. I did things like the door handles and just inner general door area. Got in here with a little bit of product. You can see that, pretty clean. I cleaned the shift boot. Yeah, pretty much just about everything. That kind of concludes the interior. I don't think I'm gonna do much else to it right now. I was gonna wash it today, as I always do on Sundays, but it's been so rainy and there's kind of not really any point. But I'll probably wash it a little bit later this week. I'm getting my windows tinted on Wednesday with ceramic tint. I think I'm gonna go 35% on all the windows and then 50% on the windshield. Spencer actually went with 50% on the windshield and then 15% on the sides, and he didn't have any visibility issues, so I'm gonna give it a shot as well. Worst case, I can take it off if I realize it's way too dark at night, but I'm assuming that the 35% will make it that dark inside. And I don't really want like a 5% limo look or anything like that. Even 20% I think will be too dark. I kind of want like a classy look where you can still see inside the interior, but you can't make out like someone's face from the outside. That's what I have scheduled for later this week. And then at the office I actually got a new single mass flywheel. The stock one is a dual mass flywheel. I got it from M Factory. That came into the office, and later, or in a couple days, either tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm gonna be getting the 335 IS clutch or the 550i clutch, because this current clutch is slipping in pretty much all gears except for like first and second, but third and up it's slipping quite a lot just because of the MHD stage 2 tune. And that's kind of lame because I want to be full bolt-on soon. I still don't have an intercooler, and then eventually I want to run a E85 mixture. So I need to get an upgraded clutch, but it's on the way. That was super expensive, and I still have to pay for the install because I'm not planning to do it with my friend at all. Rather just pay my shop to do it. Yeah, so far that's it. I have a few other small things coming from Mashimaro and then BWE E90X, which I'll probably make a separate video on both of those things. So definitely stay tuned for more. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you like watching these videos, make sure you do subscribe and like this video. It kind of just lets me know like how many people are watching. But yeah, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, but I appreciate the people that have. I think we're at like over 250 now, which is really solid, because I haven't made that many videos if you think about it. But very happy with the channel so far. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Parker Rep. I'll put it right here. And then if you want to follow my M54 page, it's M54 Builds on Instagram. So I'll also put that right there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.